What happens when BMW's fastest road car goes head-to-head? With BMW's fastest superbike, 4 wheels, 2 wheels, 1 winner. This is M versus M. The BMW M5 CS, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, 635 horsepower, 750 Newton-meters of torque. All-wheel drive, it weighs 1,825 kilograms, costs 140,000 pounds, and it's officially the quickest accelerating BMW road car ever built. A 4-door family sedan that moves like a supercar. On my right, the BMW M1000RR, 212 horsepower, just 192 kilograms. Carbon fiber wheels, carbon bodywork, winglets for downforce. This isn't just a fast bike. This is BMW's pinnacle performance machine on 2 wheels, and it costs 35,000 pounds. Less money, less weight, but is it more speed? Standing quarter mile, launch control engaged.
I had him off the line that time. He's coming now though, and he's wheeling. Oh, the bugger!
The M5 grips hard, AWD digging into the tarmac. The M1000RR explodes forward, front wheel dancing in the air. For a moment, it's close. Then physics takes over power-to-weight ratio. No traction loss, pure acceleration. Quarter-mile results, M1000RR, 10.3 seconds, M5Cs, 11.0 seconds. The bike wins.
This helps me out now. He's in 4th gear. Let's find out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, it's a bit better. Oh, here he goes now. Nice, smash me. Okay.
Bike lifts, the car surges, but once the revs climb, the superbike simply walks away, even when forced into higher gears. The result doesn't change. No drama, just dominance.
On 100 miles an hour, where each line full emergency stop, which vehicle will stop in the shortest distance? Or how difficult will it be for Chris to start his bike? If you'd rather watch the drag race with him on a bike, click on the pop-out bar up there for the link in the description below. If not, stay here, because here comes the line. Oh, and a little stoppy to end with. He lost that quite badly. Absolutely.
Massive tires, huge carbon ceramic brakes for contact patches. The M5 CS stops dramatically shorter. The bike, incredible speed, but physics works both ways. Final verdict. If you want the fastest machine for your money, buy the bike. If you want insane speed, comfort, luxury, and space for 4 people. The M5 CS is untouchable. 2 wheels win the drag race. 4 wheels win real-world control, and that's the beauty of this battle. BMW versus BMW. Different philosophies, same obsession with speed.